everyone, welcome back to Saturday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 9th to the 13th of January 2023 on Monday. Mlilo leaves the Shopper family shaken and horrified while Nomonde walks into the fire on Tuesday. Bukosi considers how to deal with the new enemies. Nomonde makes a big decision about her future on Wednesday. Cobra regrets being right and Nomonde makes a decision on Thursday. Cobra, Angelina and Dimple learns a hard lesson after choosing the wrong path. Nomonde is in for a surprise on Friday. Andile receives a shocking surprise from Jabulo. Bukosi makes a big gains and loses it all in one day. Zodwa makes a shocking revelation to Paulina. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.